Hi, hello, welcome to the channel. Today I just want to make a quick video, picking up my garlics, show you guys how they turn out. I think I may have left them in a little bit too long, but yeah, let's go. Right, these are the garlics I'll be harvesting today. They've been here since September last year, and yeah, I think it's about time now. They're looking a little bit, they're going a little bit rusty as well. So I'm thinking, yeah, now might be the right time. I did pull out one earlier, just as a quick reference. But yeah, let's see how the rest of them turn out. All right, so let me just pull a few of them out, showing you guys what I'm doing. So if you can see my hands, I meant to use a small hand shovel, but I've got the camera in my hand as well. So I'm gonna try to do it that way. So as you can see, they've been left a little bit too long. But yeah, they'll still be usable and they're still garlic. All right, guys. So I'm gonna pull them out, show you guys what the harvest look like in the end, and everything should be good with that still. Let's see, slowly pull. Yeah, man, some nice garlics coming out of there. All right. Okay. All right, I'll show you what it looks like towards the end, and then we'll just have a quick little tour as well, show you what I've got, what else that's happening on the plot at the moment. All right, cool. Harvest so far. Some are big, some are small. I suppose that's how garlics come. Some of them come big, some of them come small. Yeah, we'll keep going for now. Yeah, and the thing is as well, these garlics, I grew them from store-bought garlics. Just bought a pack of store-bought garlic. I think they were the purple kind. And yeah, I just gave them a go. And I think I've done pretty well with these so far. So yeah, don't knock the store-bought garlics, eh? All right, let's keep going. So I may try to, grow them at the same time of year this time again. And yeah, see, hopefully we may have the same result. But I'm quite happy with this, to be honest with you guys. I'm really happy with this. A bit of a hard one here. All right. All right. Nearly at the end of it now. Not this much left. The overview. Ooh, that one felt like a big one. Size of that. Not bad for a store-bought garlic, isn't it? Yeah, man, doing well. Last few. Plastic. Yeah, guys, I'm quite proud with my first ever successful garlic haul. Yeah, so that's what it looks like at the ending. I'm gonna let it sit here for a little bit just before I go. I'll pick them up. I'll just let them dry out a bit. Yeah, guys. garlic harvest is looking really, really well. Right, so I'm going to clean it up, cut the roots off, and then probably when I'm doing that, I'll show you guys how I'm doing this, but it won't be done here. I'll probably carry these home and I'll get on with it there, guys. Yeah, my garlic harvest. Right, guys, moving off the garlic harvest, I just want to show something with my onions, right? I did grow these inside in the light. I brought them out. They were looking all nice, all, you know, standing up how onions should. But then, as they started to grow, they started to do this kind of stuff, curling up. The leaves are not going straight like this, like they're supposed to be straight like this, but they're all curling down, doing all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, if anybody knows why onion would be doing that, yeah, I'll be happy to know in the comments, babes. It would really help me out. Show you a close-up. I mean, I have given them some fishy motion. So I don't know if it's more fertilizer it needs or if it's the soil that's contaminated. I don't know, guys. So help me out on that and I'll be grateful. Thank you very much, guys. Live well and together we grow.